voice.
Pinky. My real name's Mnanyazi Rahma.
Where were you born from? Where are your parents, your home?
My home area. I lived in a lot of areas in my journey of growing up. I stayed with my granny. I stayed with my aunt, and then finally, when my mom settled here, I started staying with my mom.
And your mom came from where to settle in Kampala?
My mom is a businesswoman, so she travels a lot of countries in the course of doing her businesses. So she used not to settle here because she was still up and down. Gacha to zimbida future. So when she felt like yes, wano wene agala obantu seko wenjagala okubera, she settled somewhere in Kavumba, that is Wakiso district. She settled there, then netandiko okubera naye.
And where is she from?
Where?
Yes, like
where's have it mami wange bamzala Masaka.
Masaka. So what of that?
Naye.
So, do you still have with that?
Yeah, I have both.
What is his name?
My dad. Sagala bintu byakuleta tatange interviews. My mom is called Naiga Afua. Yeah. She's a true Muganda, yes.
How did you come to join music?
How did I come to join music? I was little. Nyalimu primary 4. Nalincha someda ku Lugoba Parents Primary School. Lidiao Nabweru Lugoba in Kawempe. So nali twali mu school choir nga tuli bana bato. You know how abana bato bali so playful. Nali bali ba training abana like okuyimba, and I was behind the choir nganzanya. I was playing. So guy yada training nangamba jangu come nenvayo nenzija nangamba, so we are training gwozanya mpensonga. I didn't have a reason, so nangamba you either sing or imba remember den training abana olumaleko oba ngenda kukuba kiboko. So kumkuba kiboko zenalitemboko. So this guy nemugamba ngenda yimba. So nenyimirira, I was so short and little. So nenyimirira maso g'abaana nenyimba olimba bali ba training. Guy nantunulira bwati nangamba sing it the second time.
Do you remember the song?
No. Nenziramu nenduyimba second time. Nagamba omuwale yali akulembedde yali atuleading yalinga solistinga dayo mu line leka ona solistinga oluyimba. So everyone was looking at the little girl who is going to solist them, but he did not look about me, my appearance. He focused on the voice. So that's when I started singing.
When was your first time to record a song? When was that?
That very period. When I oluyimba ne nkulembera banage gazemba solistinga. So twalina MDD ku somero kati nga tulina recording ezenyimba. So ne tugenda mu studio ewa Badman Records ne recording oluyimba.
How was the song? How was it going?
It was like okuluyimba.
Yes.
Oh my God. Do I even remember? Wallahi sijukila lyrics. I swear. Miaka mingi nali primary 4.
Then from there, what next?
What next? When namaliriza ne just byali bya somero bimanyi ne tu performing ku MDD time ne tambula ne nyingira secondary. From my form 1 to form 4 I've been singing, like nga I participate in the school choir nga tosobola kusanga ba training music notasanga pinking awali. All the time I would participate. Form 5, form 6, no form 5 nesoka mbi umulamu when I joined London College nesoka mbi umulamu, but form 5 third term wa mama ange nangamba ne lwaki totandika okuyimba nangamba nsobola nangamba sure nebugamba yeah. So nafuna guy bamwita Treasure K na guy namugamba akuyimbire mbwa bawulira asobola tulabe nenyimbira guy. So guy response yagamba ngenda muwandikira olimba tugende mu studio alukole. So nangamba owulira oyagala kuyimba ki, what do you want to sing, because okyali mwana mtoto saa kuvaayo noyimba music ngali aggressive oba ngali love music oba ki. So nemugamba tusobola okuyimba anything concerning women or like ekintu ekigwa mu category bwetyo. So guy nampandikira oluyimba balita tukoye gye luli ku YouTube channel yange. Kino kisuse no too much tukoye pamamo kusazibanga. That was the song. So then recording netuluta wetwaluta nembela kusomero ngansomanga mwenkola music nenzirako nenta oluyimbo olulala bali baluyita girl child nemala nenzira beto oluyimba baluyita tontankula. So in the process nenyingira vacation ya form 6 nensoka ebyokuyimba nebisooka bisirikamu kawo because waliwo up and downs in the process. So up and downs ezo bwe zaggwawo, that is when manager Jeff saw the tontankula song. So he did not basically mind about the tontankula lyrics and stuff.
How did you come to meet Jeff?
That's where I'm coming.
Okay.
He minded about the voice because the song has some strong voice. So weyalula banakubira Edwin Paul because Edwin Paul yakwata video eyo. Namugamba Edwin Paul go shootinga video yo n'omwana so omundabe oso omuntu saako. Edwin namugamba yes. Namugamba so tugenda meeting olunaku bweruti ne bweruti. So Edwin Paul nankubira essimu nangamba kye wayagala kusisinkana nengamba okay Eddie nangamba olunaku sagamba muntu yenna. I kept quiet. Nenindo olunaku lutuuke era olunaku bwe lwatuuka I was even sleeping because nali manyi oba just oba yali ankuba lwali obanga ayina ekirowoozo yakijje n'agamba kakiŋŋambe. So in the evening nali nebase nakwenda ngamba owaayo olunaku lwa leero program wagivuddeko konza a program sinagivaako nangamba nzija kupiikinga. Najja nankima ewaka nantwala emunyonyo ne mu meetinga ne twogera ne tutandika okukola.
How was your feeling? How did you feel?
Who wouldn't feel good working with, in fact not one of, working with the best manager in the industry of Uganda? Yeah.
So where do you see yourself in the next 3 years?
I'm not seeing myself anywhere, but I am wishing to reach somewhere because of course Katonda yatutegekera makubo, yatutegekera future. But gwengo omuntu obeera ne ambitions zo n'ogamba at least njagala ntuukeko wano. I want the best out of Pinky. I want to make my mommy proud. I want to make the people that gave in their effort to see that Pinky becomes Pinky proud. I want to make them proud.
Are you in a relationship?
No.
Why?
Boys can lie.
What of girls?
Boys are liars.
Boys are lies. They lied to you sometimes?
No, they did not, but I know they lie. So I feel like I am not yet ready for the lies.
Have you ever been in love?
No.
Really? You are a virgin?
Those questions are so personal.
Sorry, but I have to ask you because when you say boys can lie and you've never been.
I've never been in a relationship like relationship serious. Manya Pinky has a boyfriend. Manya Pinky which. No.
So if boys can lie, what advice do you give to other ladies who are watching?
Follow your heart.
That's
The heart wants what it wants. If it doesn't want, then it will not go for it. If it wants it, then you cannot stop it. So follow your heart.
So you want what of yours?
I am following my heart. My heart wants what it wants. So for now, it doesn't want.